It looks like Samsung is hard at work making sure their product lineup for the year is off to a strong start in the first quarter of 2022. Things are no different this time round as we now have their new Galaxy laptop range, the Book2 Pro and the Book2 Pro 360. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube or SamMobile TV. Here is our quick early first look and quick hands-on with the Galaxy Book2 Pro and Book2 Pro 360 here at MWC 2022 in Barcelona, Spain. Quick disclaimer that we only had a 1-hour session with the new laptops, so this video will be more of a general overview with our very early impressions of the laptops. Our real-world thoughts will come into play if and when we get the opportunity to have the review units in-house to test and use properly. With that out of the way, let's get into it. Both laptops come in two sizes, 13.3 and 15.6 inch. Starting with the Book2 Pro, this laptop follows the traditional clamshell design we've come to know and use on laptops. It comes in two colors, which are silver and graphite, all in a clean matte finish in a metal chassis. The profile of the Book2 Pro is both slim and lightweight, coming in at no more than 1.17 kilograms and 13.2 millimeters thick for the 15.6 inch model, and at 0.87 kilograms and 11.2 millimeters in thickness for the 13.3 inch model. The Book2 Pro 360, on the other hand, takes a more multifunctional 2-in-1 approach to the laptop form factor, offering a 360-degree hinge, which allows the laptop to take shape in different form factors, whether be it in tablet mode, temp mode, screen-only mode, for your specific use case and viewing experience. It comes in three colors, which are graphite, silver, and burgundy, which mirror the colors showcased for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The profile of the Book2 Pro 360 are both slim and lightweight, coming in no more than 1.41 kilograms and 11.9 millimeters in thickness for the 15.6 inch model, and 1.04 kilograms at 11.5 millimeters in thickness for the 13.3 inch model. Our early impressions of both laptops shows that Samsung are taking a more evolutionary approach of the design and build from before, and focusing more on making the laptop experience as truly mobile as possible while adding a premium feel, style, and also strong build using high quality materials with a nice fit and finish. Both the Book2 Pro and Pro 360 are using high quality Super AMOLED panels at a screen resolution of 1080p at 60 Hz. What is good to see is that Samsung have increased the screen brightness up to 33%, which in turn means 400 nits with a 500 nits brightness mode when viewing HDR certified content. Although not the same brightness that we're experiencing in terms of Galaxy phones of recent pushing 1750 nits, this is still a welcome upgrade while still gaining all the benefits of having an AMOLED panel for the display when it comes to using a laptop. What is different between the two models is that the Book2 Pro 360 does have S Pen support for the display, which in turn does make the display touchscreen as well. The S Pen, to our knowledge, is included, but if anything changes come when these laptops are available for purchase in April, we will be sure to update you. The S Pen is said to have been improved in terms of having low latency as well. For the audio, Samsung are now using a smart amp for their speakers in the Book2 Pro series to push 5 watts for the audio output, mixed with tuning from AKG with also using Dolby Atmos support. Samsung is hoping you will experience a more dynamic soundstage during the audio listening experience when using your laptop. We did ask Samsung, since these are meant to be premium mobile pro laptop devices, why Samsung wouldn't consider using tuning audio from Harman Kardon, which in their reply is based on the AKG being their audio specialist when it comes to surround sound, and that favors better with Dolby Atmos support. The webcam has seen an upgrade to 1080p and also an increased field of view of 87 degrees as well for both models. This now allows Samsung to add an auto framing feature when on video calls, and also video call effects, which allow you to remove the background, change the background color in image, and also blur the background as well. When being demonstrated these features, it looks like when it came to auto framing and also using video effects, it's something that you couldn't use at the same time, so just bear that in mind. Also, using bidirectional AI noise cancelling, Samsung are promising clearer mic quality when on video calls as well. Our initial impressions do look promising for the display and audio, and we really do like the versatility of the 360 model. Intel Evo with 12th Gen Core i7, i5, and i3 are at the heart of the performance for both laptop models. To get the more powerful Intel Iris Xe graphics, you do have to opt for the i7 and i5 models. Both models do have the option for 8, 16, and 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1 TB of internal SSD storage using NVMe. The 15.6-inch Book2 Pro gets access to the more powerful Intel Arc graphics externally, which should enable you to have more demanding tasks run easier, such as high-resolution video editing and better gaming performance. Wireless connectivity has been improved with Wi-Fi 6E support, 5G connectivity, and also Bluetooth 5.1. You also have a fingerprint unlock method with a hardware-level secure chipset for storing your biometric information for better security. The Book2 Pro has a full array of ports from one Thunderbolt 4 port, one USB-C port, a full-size USB-A port, and also a HDMI output with micro SD card slot and also a 3.5mm combo headphone jack. There is also the optional nano SIM slot on the 15.6-inch model as well. The Book2 Pro 360, on the other hand, does have one USB-C port and also one Thunderbolt 4 port and also a 3.5mm headphone port, as well as a micro SD card slot. We couldn't really test the performance in any meaningful way in this situation, but with a great array of port selection, especially on the Book2 Pro and the power of Intel 12th Gen, Samsung are saying an increase to multi-threading performance by up to 1.7 times previous generation. Windows 11 will be the default OS running out of the box for both models of the Book2 Pro series. Samsung's focus on the software experience in addition to the Windows 11 experience is built on these three pillars that they're stating. 1. Enterprise-level security with the freedom of mobility. 2. The power to do more. And 3. Seamless continuity. To avoid this video being too long, in short, each area is meant to offer the best mobile experience while offering top-grade security on a hardware and software level, backed with seamless continuity with your other Samsung Galaxy devices like your smartphone and also a tablet. Features like private sharing for sharing files safely, the addition of Samsung Device Care software for easier performance management, and also using your Galaxy tablet also as an extended screen thanks to second screen feature. As always, it's interesting to see Samsung taking their One UI software identity from their smartphones and tablets and bringing it over to their laptops. Both models and sizes of the Book2 Pro and Pro 360 are using the same battery capacity and charging tech. The 15.6-inch size has a 68 watt-hour battery, while the 13.3-inch size is using a 63 watt-hour battery cell. Both models and sizes are using 65 watt super fast charging over the USB-C port thanks to power delivery, which is very convenient. Samsung are claiming up to 21 hours of video playback on a full charge based on their controlled testing conditions. These laptops are said to be available sometime in April. Once we have more details on pricing and availability, we will be sure to update in the description below. Rather than a major revolutionary change, both the Book2 Pro and Pro 360 take on a more evolutionary step forward from last year's model, all with Intel Evo being at the core, with Windows OS and Samsung specialist software for the best Galaxy experience with ultimate mobile computing in mind. What are your thoughts on the new Galaxy Book2 Pro and Pro 360? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.